It's fall in Iowa, and we are just about ready to get started with harvest, but we're just waiting for the corn to dry down just a little bit more. I think next weekend it should go. So until then, I have some video from this summer that I never got published, so that's what you're going to see today. So until we start on harvest, enjoy this spraying video. Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Iowa, and we have semis coming this morning. We're going to try and get the bins unloaded. That is Dad's corn, not mine. We're trying to get it emptied so that I can put my corn in there, and it takes forever hauling with the wagons, so we're hiring it all done. We figured if they want to sit and wait for us to sweep the bins, then we'd let them haul it. So they said that's fine. It's Saturday. They were busy yesterday. They were planning on coming Friday, or they said they'd try, but they couldn't. So they said they'd come today. And then last night, my sprayer called. He was ready to come start on mine right away this morning. I asked him if we could wait till a little later in the day. He said, yeah, that's fine. He had some other stuff he could do in the morning. So we got to get that going too. So as soon as I get these trucks loaded, I got to run and get the water tender and get back for him, and so it'll be a busy day. Let's get at it. Gotta get my dust mask. Loading trucks. All right, well, we're between trucks. He's at the ethanol plant unloading, so I'm taking Dad's truck. I'm gonna run down and grab that tank and get it filled with water and bring it back. Adam, my sprayer guy, he's gonna spray one more batch and then he's gonna head up, so we should be timed pretty close, I would think. Well, we got the tender. Now we're just gonna go get it full of water and let Adam know we're ready for him to come. I'd say it's full. Well, here comes the Hagie. Well, we're back for another round of filling with water. I guess I didn't show this. We had to move. I had the shuttles on the flatbed trailer, but we couldn't get close enough with a sprayer to both the shuttles and the tank, so we put one shuttle on here, one in the back of the truck, and then I got a pallet sitting on the ground with the atrazine AMS and atrazine, yeah. So I'll just we're gonna tend back in the same place for the next fill, then I'll just grab the last couple jugs and stuff and throw them in the back of the pickup, and we'll get them for the last one. So I'm back here with this big bed 3-inch. I really kind of want to time this because this thing fills so incredibly fast. It's impressive. Flip on the valve here. All right, flip on the pump. And we're going. Let's see, what's my time? 1:30. So we'll see how long it takes to fill this. Look at that, that is crazy. It's crazy fast. I'm gonna open this and show you. Shoot in there. Don't want to drop my GoPro. Look at the lid, the air coming out of there. I better just leave that cracked. Okay, what are we up to? We're up to just about 500 gallons. We're close. Once it hits that 1,200 gallon mark, right now. And we gotta close our valve. We just keep filling the tank. There we go. However long that took, I will put it on the screen. We've got 1,200 gallons. Just in time, you can hear that hydro coming from a long ways away. So I'm just getting everything set out and hooked up and ready, so as soon as he pulls up here we can hook him up and get filled up and get going again. Yeah, I'll pull forward a little more. Should be able to pull it. There's Bob.
On this.
Well, there you go. That was our post-emerge spraying we did this summer, and I thank everyone for watching. Stay tuned. We got harvest videos coming up really soon, so thanks for watching.